Alright guys, we're about to send it.
Did you record that one?
They're right here. No.
She got pissed though, huh?
No, I don't know.
She even speak?
Ready? Go. Ready? Go.
I like the hamster.
Yeah. Do it.
I did.
Do more.
I have to wait till they like swing, bro.
Dude, the black girl was.
I haven't heard it in a while, so we're trying to like.
Holy fuck, if you guys just seen
I know he has real. What did you say?
the manager seen us.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, he said he thought he still saw us when we left. He's all, yeah, I see you right there.
Fuck. They had like the little intercom thing.
Huh?
That shit was crazy, eh?
That shit was crazy, eh? Make a vid.
Alright. Okay. Well, we're leaving.
Bye.
Yes.
We're still gonna send it, eh?
Yeah.
Bro, first prank video, we got kicked out.
Alright, guys. I fucking dipped out. I'm not like Jay. I'm not fucking gonna get caught doing that shit. I can't get caught. So I dipped out. Now the golf management's on us. And Jay's dumbass wants to do more. No.
Yeah, guys, so Pat's all flipping out. The manager just saw us. I think he's after us, to be honest. I don't see anyone near us though, so I'm chilling. Just riding by. Pat fucking went dipping out. He's all the way up there if you don't see him. I'm not scared of this shit, bruh. This shit's not scary to me. I get shit like this all the time. But yeah, guys, we'll be back in a bit. Peace. About that money, boy.
Are we out?
Yeah.
We are out. Alright, guys, we just talked to the golf course worker. And
Recorded it, bro.
I know I should have recorded it. I'm so fucking dumb. I'm just fucking shaking, and we're out. We found the exit. This shit was so trippy. Holy fuck.
How do you even get over there?
I don't even know. Let's go.
They'll call the cops.
Huh?
Fuck the police.
And they're calling the cops, so we're out. We're out.